Welcome to the art class, dear students. As you can see, I've outlined my parrot and now we will begin coloring. I'm going to take a vibrant, bright leaf green or a light green to color my parrot. Here we go. We will color very neatly inside the lines without leaving white spaces. Now children, as you can see, the eye of the parrot I have colored with my sketch pen only. What did I do? I used my black sketch pen and I colored his eyeball, leaving a small white dot in the center so that his eyes look real. I have taught you how to color the eyeball like this when we were doing human figure expression drawings, when we made the face, the happy face and the laughing face and the surprised face also. Now very neatly we'll color inside the lines without leaving white spaces. Children, this is a little necklace that God has given the parrot. If you've seen, there is this thin line on his neck. So we are leaving it white right now and we are coloring his body. Children, we are not going to color in this in the wings. I will teach you how to color the wings with multicolors. Just hold on till then. Let's color the body first. And one part of the tail feather becomes green. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to pick up my yellow color, a very bright blue color, can be any blue, and I'm going to pick up my red color and begin making a colorful parrot. Now first of all, for his beak, let me do it red. He looks like a chili, isn't it? And he loves to eat chilies too. This I'm going to do with the red. And now coming down to this, as I told you, we are using the multicolor coloring method. So first I'm doing a blue, you can do a yellow or a red. Then I'll choose my yellow. Please be very careful. Color inside the lines. And then red. And again I'm going to repeat my blue. Looks nice, children? And for this part also, I'm choosing to use my blue. You can use the red or the yellow. Now coming to the branch on which it's sitting. Alright, I forgot to color his claws. Now let me color his claws with a yellow. Now the branch on which he's sitting can be done with brown. Children, you may choose any shade of brown. And if you want to do shading or color mixing, I have already taught in my other videos. You can do that. And I can teach you again. Just give me a moment. So those of you who want to do shading, it's a good idea to learn something new. Half the branch I'm going to color with one color, one shade of brown, and the other half I can do with a different shade of brown, or I can take the yellow ochre or the mustard color. Can you see how this is being done? Isn't it looking nice, children? Wow, I feel so fresh looking at this. Now let's color the leaves. We are choosing a darker green for the leaves because my parrot is already in the shade of a light green. And I'm going to do two different greens. So here my another shade of green. See, it's getting mixed also, blended nicely. And we've done a beautiful shading. Remember not to keep your hand on the parrot, otherwise the color is going to smudge all over the paper. Students, our coloring of the parrot is done, and I can choose a blue for the background, or maybe a yellow or an orange for the sky, depending on my choice. Otherwise, like this also, it is looking very, very vibrant. Is our parrot with the background colored. Thank you for attending the art class, children.